welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have got a friend mail to share with you. Look at this, a big ass box, guys. Woohoo! So the lovely Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design has sent me this massive box, and by the looks of what's in here, she has spoiled me rotten. As always, bless her. She's such a sweetheart. Thank you so much, chick. I shall leave the link to Vicky's social media in my description box below, and I shall also pin it in the comments as well. So if you don't already know Vicky, please head over there and check her out. She creates some really cool nails. And also, she's got her own nail art store, guys, so I shall also leave that in my description box as well. So let's crack straight on, and I'll show you what she sent. So to start with, she sent me a card, Gina Chicken Lickin'. Oh, look at that. Thank you, card. Let me just take a sneak peek, see what it says. Oh, bless her. Hey, Gina, Chicken Lickin'. Here's a little thank you. I'm stressing as I don't think I've given you enough. She's crazy. This chick is crazy. She sent me loads, guys. Thanks for being you and a great friend. Loves you, Vicky and Andy. P.S. Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. Andy is Vicky's husband. He helps her run her channel and their store. Oh, I love that. So cute. So, I don't know where to start. Where do I start? I think I'll start with the foils. How cool are these foils? Look at that. Ooh. Love that. Oh, this is cool. It's like army print. Look at that. That is well cool. Love that. This is different. I've not seen one like that before. Look at that. That's really cool. Oh, that's cute. Look at that one. Love that. Ooh, I've not seen one like this before either. Look at the hollow on that, guys. Wow, that is hollow. Whoa. Oh, look at this. That is so cool. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see. Yeah, look at that. I have not seen anything like that. Cool. Another really unusual one as well. And then lastly, this is a pretty one as well. I love black and gold together. Look at that. Yeah. Love them. Love all of them. Then she sent me this Yogi Chameleon Polygel in yellow. Ooh, look at that. That is a really nice yellow. Really nice. I've not got that. I've not got a colour like that, actually. I can't wait to try that. Oh, then she sent me one of these. Look at all these. All different coloured gems. Oh, they're pretty. Look at them ones. Like pearls. Really pretty. Some more gems, some stars, pearls. What's in this one? All sorts in there, like little different stones. Then there's all different iridescent maple leaves, butterflies. Oh, they're different colours. And then, oh, they was open. Then some tiny little stones, I think these are. Yeah, look at those. Some really pretty colours. You can encapsulate those into polygel, hard gel, acrylic, but some really pretty colours there. I've not tried them. I can't wait to give them a try. Then she sent me some pearls. Oh, I love these. They're all like pastel colours, but then you've got, love that blue, but it's got like a pink shift to it. Oh, wow. They are so pretty. That's got like a golden shift to it. That's got a golden shift to it. It's got like a purpley gold. Ooh, that's got all different shifts to it. It's got a purple, golden, and a blue. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, I love them. Then she sent me some caviar beads, which is something that I am desperate for. I'm starting to get really low, so yeah, I needed them desperately. Thank you, chick. Oh, and by the way, guys, she didn't glitter bomb me. No, she crystal bombed me. I've got crystals everywhere. They're all over the floor, all over my sofa. They are everywhere. Look at these, guys. Competition tips for extreme nails. How cool are they? I'm hoping you can see them without me opening them. Can you see them? Really long tips from there to there, look. They are so cool. I can't wait to do a design with them. Cannot wait. They are really cool. Ah, how pretty is that? I love that. Look how cute this pen is. It's got a little unicorn on it, a little pom-pom. Oh, I love that. Beautiful colour as well. Oh, that's going in my pot next to where I work. For sure. For sure, for sure. Oh, wow. She's only going to send me a new Kolinsky acrylic brush. That is one thing I desperately needed, was a bigger brush. I've got the size 10 from Neo, but it is really, really small. This is a size 14, so I can't wait to try that. Oh my God, thank you so much, chick. Thank you. Oh wow, this is cool, look. You can make your own cuticle oil. How cool is that? Definitely going to have to give that a try. Definitely. Oh, then she sent me some cute toe separators. Oh, they're so cute. Little daisies. Love them. Really like them. Then she sent me a new nail brush, which I did need one of these actually for, you know, to dusting the glitter off. Because most of the brushes what I've got are quite soft. This is just right. I think it'll be ideal for dusting off the glitter. So that'll come in real handy. Thank you, chick. Now, I know what this is because I saw her show this in one of her videos. And when I saw it, I thought, oh my days, I need one of them. But then she said, I've got two because I got one for Gina as well. And I was like, oh, no way. How cute is this, guys? Look at this tapping dish. Look at that. And I love that it's got the lid as well, you know, so you can put your monomer in it. You can put anything in it, really, but I just think it's great to put monomer in. Love that. Look at the colours. Wow, that's going to look gorgeous on my table. Gorgeous. Love that. Oh, then she sent me another one as well. Oh, that's cool. I like that. It's really sturdy as well because it's glass, you know. What is this? Aimeili gel nail polish. Oh, this is the builder base. I've been dying to try this. A few people commented on my Aimeili swatch video about this builder base. Quite a few people have been talking about this. I can't wait to try this. Ooh, that is lovely and thick. Yeah, I've been dying to try this. Oh my goodness. I can't wait. Wow, thank you so much, chick. No, you didn't. Oh my days, guys. She's only going to send me the Beetles base gel, shiny top coat, and the matte top coat. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Wow. Thank you so much, chick. Look at the matte bottle, guys. I love that. Oh, wow. I can't wait to try their matte top coat and their shot. I haven't tried any Beetles. None. So I'm so excited to try that. Thank you so much. What else have we got in here? She sent me this China Lac Soak Off Colour UV LED gel polish. Well, that's an unusual colour. I've not got anything like that. Ooh. Really nice autumn colour. Really nice. It's looking more like pillar box red on here, but it's not. It's more of a terracotta. Really unusual. I like that. Not got anything like that. And then she sent me 6 of the LiQWYD, I think that's how it's pronounced, gel polishes. So she sent me neon green, nudie beige sort of colour, ooh, is this neon pink? I think it is. Look at that, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Then she sent me a brown, which is actually a really nice milky chocolatey brown. Quite a light brown. Ooh, this looks unusual. Look at that green. That looks nice. Ooh, I like that. Look at that. I would call that like a pepperminty green. Ooh, I can't wait to try these. I've not got anything like that either. And then the last one is a neon purple, I think. Yeah, look at that. That is so nice. Love that. Thank you so much. You really should not have sent me all that. And there's still more to go yet, guys. Now this is Vicky and Andy's website, sparkle.org/ because of just being you. Here you go, babe, giving you your own code. Nails by GG10 for showing me support too. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, babe. Nails by GG10, guys. All caps, all one word. That is my discount code. For those of you that want to head over there and save yourself some coinage, I'll leave that on the screen for you. Wow, I can't believe you give me a discount code, babe. Thank you so much. Oh, then she sent me some tattoos. Look at these. Hello, 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 hello. They're cool. Right, guys, I think I'm going to cut this off here and end this as part 1. So keep your eyes peeled for part 2. That'll be out later today. I really hope you enjoyed this first part. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.